I recently picked this up at a thrift store for $15.97, and the employee let me take a little peek inside before I bought it, and it looks good. So we're gonna rebuild it today and see how it is. Here are the manuals right there, and a lot of minifigure stuff. So I'm hopeful, very, very hopeful. Okay, feeling super, super encouraged right now, and like the condition of everything is super nice. So I am very, very happy. See here? Yep, right there. Let's keep moving. And that completes book one. Feeling very, 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 very encouraged. There she is. Oh, this is still partially built. That makes that easier. We could have our first missing thing. This whole contraption right here. It's very likely that it's here, but I'm just not seeing it. But in the interest of moving along faster, we're just gonna... Oh, I hope I have a clear cylinder. Yeah, haha. I love stuff like this right here. Check this out. Boom. So satisfying. There was the missing piece. No worries, it's okay. It'll just go in the drawer. Oops. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Alright, if we can avoid any more catastrophes like that, we'll be golden. So cool. So, so cool. Look at that. Okay, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty here. I'm gonna put this right here. Do you like it? Yeah.
Is it going up there?
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up there when it's all done. Didn't you know it? There is one piece missing. Helmets or hats? It's a helmet. Hats is smaller. Oh, no way. No way. As someone who spends a lot of time rebuilding Star Wars and stuff with a lot of gray and black, this was a nice breath of fresh air. I love it. 10 out of 10. Would do again.